Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through my gear I keep on my two Soundcart Maverick and my Adicam Backscart. Let's have a look. So this is my first Soundcart Maverick. Compact in design, I really like this cart. On the top shelf I have two Sennheiser MKH50 microphones with their shock mounts. I also use Shure CMD42 stored with the windshields in another drawer. This is very practical for tight spaces. I use a 90 degrees elbow for Shups, really handy for boom ups in tricky setups. There's also a Shups inline pad with a low cut filter for Colette series, which fits between the capsule and the CMC6 or the CMT42 preamp. I use DPA 4097s as plant mics, mounted directly on transmitters, very discreet and reliable. I also carry Shups active extensions cable between the capsule and the preamps, very practical as well. Another go-to, the DPA 4018, customized with wind protection, also used as a plant mic when I need it. That was drawer 1. In drawer 2, I keep a mic protect case for drying out mics after exposure to humidity. There are also adapters for EIMs and IFBs, XLR cables, different adapters, and a Cessna aircraft headset adapter to send or receive intercom audio. That drawer is for the wind killer and the windshield. The last one contains accessories like shoe pad, hilt noise suppressor, different rigging gears, magic arm, clamps, etc. Everything you need on set for rigging. Now this is my second Soundcart Maverick. A little accessories that I wanted to show you, a small battery-powered LED lamp, very useful. So the top drawer is dedicated to wireless transmitter and time codes. So you have the A10s, A20, a pouch with the time code gear and spare cable for the A10s. Antennas are stored in a dedicated pouch as well, along with the accessories like battery and skilled self-stay. Both A10 units are mounted using custom clips for boom pole use with matching cables. I also have two A20s, the last is sound device transmitter, mounted with the 3D printed boom clip and additional compatible cables. The timecode section includes tentacle sync cables for camera and recording connectivity, and also all the different tentacles. So that was timecode and transmitters. Second drawer contains essentials, different cables. You have the Visicom transmitters cable, that's the cable you use to download the recorded files, some lightning to audio cables for iPhone, some walkie-talkie adapter, cleaning supplies include adhesive remover, WD-40, tweezers, sticky stuff and rubber bands. The third drawer is the speaker Voice of God drawer. It holds a remote audio speakeasy V3 speaker, small and effective for discrete playback. Also a Visicom mic Voice of God transmitter with push-to-talk function, and a Phonak system for in-ear cueing. In this pouch a few Sennheiser transmitters, that's for IFB, for music, talkback and monitoring. Then comes the battery drawer, Audio Root smart batteries, AA rechargeable, LADA packs, and Visicom specific batteries. The final drawer is a rigging hardware, magic arms, clamps, MIDI stands, flexible mount, and everything needed to quickly place a plant mics or different accessories. And now the third setup, the Adicam Max. A strong, a very beautiful magliner style card I rely on constantly. On the top, an IFB case with around 30 Sennheiser EK1039 multi-channel receivers. These are paired with the Sennheiser headsets. It's robust plug-and-play solution. Very good. Next to it, an OriSafe gunfire headset. It offers hearing protection for loud peaks like gunshots and includes a jack input, so you can monitor programs or comms audio while staying protected. Very handful. I also store the full set of ambient timecode slates on the top of the card. There is another battery LED lamp for quick lighting. And on the side, a full rack of gaffer tape rolls. At the bottom, a 3-channel LCR rig in a Peli case, including mics, accessories, and a mix pre-recorder for some device. On the opposite side, some pouches and XLR cables and a fiber cleaning kit. I also carry extra hearing protection headset and the full Phonak in-ear system. Here is a case with the Bose speaker I use for the voice of God, compact and powerful. Finally, I carry 2 barrels of fiber, 300 meters and 200 meters. In the front tray, tools and essentials, screwdrivers, air dusters, cleaning spray and other quick access gears. That's it. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. See you soon. Bye.